motherfuckers like it ain't no thing. I just smoke motherfuckers like it ain't no thing. Motherfuckers like it ain't no thing, cause I'm the E.
Okay, hello everyone. So as you can probably tell by the thumbnail and title of this video, I got rid of the Kia because it just wasn't working out for me. It's just too small and not enough power and kinda ricer-ish. So yesterday I went and traded it, and well, I got something a lot better. So I ended up trading it for this beast. 1978 Dodge W150, 4-speed with the 318. Got brand new 33s on it by 12.5, pretty nice rims. It's a little mismatched, but I mean it's a truck, so I don't really care if it looks all shiny and shit. So I'm just gonna rattle can the rest of it black. Needs a tailgate, but it does have, it's got dual exhaust. Pretty sure it's, yeah, true dual. It is a 4-speed. So got a little bullet shifter on it. It's a little torn up in here, but I mean, this is a 40-year-old truck. But yeah, it's got a few things wrong with it. Like, this door's kind of a bitch to close. It's got a few things wrong with it. Like, I'm pretty sure the carb needs to be tuned. Because when it first starts up, it'll idle, but when I come to a stop, it just likes to die. So I think that's the carburetor. I'm not sure though. If you guys know something different about it, let me know. But yeah, that's the truck. And just something to drive around in and have fun till the Mazda's going, and then this will just be my off-road truck. Slash probably daily until that's running. Then I'll probably daily that and just use that for off-roading and stuff. But yeah, that's the truck. Hope you guys like it. There will definitely be some mudding videos soon. Alright, see you guys later.